Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the body replacement of your Dyson V10 vacuum, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. It's essential to work in a clean area with good lighting for visibility. First, unplug your Dyson V10 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the vacuum is completely turned off and disconnected from any charging station. Next, locate the screws on the vacuum body. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the two screws located at the back of the vacuum. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later during reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the body away from the base. Be cautious as there may be some resistance due to the clips holding the body in place. If you encounter difficulty, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it apart without damaging any components. After successfully detaching the body, it's a good time to clean the internal components. Dust and debris can build up inside, affecting performance. Use a soft brush or a vacuum attachment to remove any dirt you find. Remember, keeping your vacuum clean is crucial for optimal functioning. Now, let's focus on the body replacement. Take the new body and align it with the base. Ensure that the clips are positioned correctly for a secure fit. Once aligned, gently press the body back into place until you hear a click, indicating that it is properly secured. Next, retrieve the screws you set aside earlier. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, reinsert the screws into the back of the vacuum body. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the screws or damage the plastic. If you don't have the tools required for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the service you need without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. After the screws are securely in place, give the body a gentle shake to ensure that everything is firmly attached. Reconnect the vacuum to the power source and turn it on to test its functionality. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate improper assembly or loose components. If you find that your vacuum is still not functioning as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Sometimes, internal issues may require expert attention to ensure your device operates effectively. Finally, once everything is reassembled and tested, take a moment to clean the exterior of your Dyson V10. A clean vacuum not only looks good but also performs better. Remember, if you need a quote before repair, our services are just a call away. Enjoy your newly refurbished Dyson V10 vacuum and the satisfaction of having completed the task yourself. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.